we have something new. These are Fridge Raiders poppers, and the reason why they're new, it says it on the packet. So we're used to Fridge Raiders. They're those chickeny things that come in various flavours, and now they've got these, which are poppers. There was a cheese one, nacho cheese, and garlic and herb, so I'm assuming it's either wrapped around it or it's in it. Whichever one, it sounds good. I went with garlic and herb because that sounded most pleasing to me. So open we do. Ooh, instant waft. Do I dive into the packet? Dive in. There you go, nestled within the packet. What do you think? Bobbling my display thingy. Just go back up. Grab on. Give you a better look of the thing. Here it is. Yeah. Looks quite good. So now it's to check it out and give it a thoughts, but bite in half, yeah. Interior view. They're quite herby. They're more herby than garlicky, but garlic is there. Probably the right choice. The right choice indeed. Maybe the cheese would have been not as interesting, not an interesting flavour combination, but definitely worth a try. So, thoughts are good. If you try them, let me know. If you try the other one, let me know. And otherwise, I will happily polish these off. And see you next time. But whilst my mouth is full of refrigerated poppers, if you could follow, like, share, subscribe, all those good things, and definitely see you next time. Ta-ra.